Good morning, guys. I hope you've been doing great. It's a good morning. I just got my bubble tea. You know, the Asian got to have his bubble tea, you know. Okay, a lot of cars here is kind of noisy. Let me wait till it's a little quieter. So I'm actually on my way to a food outlet to do a flat lay photography for them. So here is my my backdrop. Okay, along with all the equipments in my bag. Okay, I'm going to bring you guys through a simple process on how to do flat lay photography. It's not as difficult as it seems, alright? Keep watching and you guys find out how. Okay guys, I'm finally back from my shoot. It was quite a fun and casual shoot. It's actually quite a simple process for all those who have been waiting to start or wanting to start but haven't got a chance to start. So let me bring you through the process of me setting up the my equipment. So here we are. That's my camera, my A7 II camera with doing the flat lay. And that's the food there with the backdrop, the one that I've been carrying around my back. And that's my LED panel from Nanguang, fitted on a tripod. Those are actually my food prep items, forks, spoons, anything to shift the food around. And once again, my flat lay tripod. Okay, placed on the table. Here are some of the photos that I've taken from my shoot, and I do have one or two from the side shots using my RX 100 Mark V. I hope that helps you guys to be able to know where to start and what equipment to get for a flat lay photography shoot. Please leave down in the comments below if you have any tips to let the others know, and like and subscribe if you haven't do so yet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!